You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this German-born British psychologist that is quite renowned in psychology. The German pronunciation and how you can say it in English: Hans Eysenck. Yes, I hear there's another video that is incorrect mispronunciation that says it Eysenck. No, it's a Z sound. Hans Eysenck. No, Hans Eysenck. That's German pronunciation, but also in English it's pronounced Hans Eysenck. That's easy once you know Hans Eysenck, and now you know the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.